Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OnePlus Nord CE to Lite. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere. From this screen here, you need to select I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. When you're ready, click on Receive on OnePlus and Send on an Android. Then click on all of those dots and tap on Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one song, choose Send and click on Got It. Now you need to choose No Thanks and close this window on OnePlus, and as you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here and tap on Receive to connect our devices, but we can also scan this QR code. If you want to do that, select the scanning icon here, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at the QR code. And after that, as you can see, my song was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!